Take out the main machine and all the accessories, including one charging base, one main machine, 2 brushes, and 1 power cord. When using it to clean the face, take out the brush, buckle the brush in the groove on the device. Then you will hear the sound of click. Please note, you must hear the sound of click before operation to avoid the drop of the brush. Press for 3 seconds to turn it on, then press for 3 seconds to switch to ultrasonic infusion mode. Next, press for 3 seconds to turn off the device. The light in the upward side of the button is the display of the function. This is the display of cleansing mode. This is the display of ultrasonic infusion mode. Tap the switch button to switch levels. There are 3 levels to select. If the current level is the high level, tap once to switch to the low level. The technique is clean the skin with face wash. It is advised for 1 to 2 minutes. Please note, there will be an audio prompt at every 40 seconds while working, and the device will be turned off automatically after 2 minutes. Turn off the device. Please note, first, press for 3 seconds to switch the function, then release and press for another 3 seconds to turn off the device. Second, the device has memory mode. That is, if it is high level currently, next time when the device is turned on, it is in high level 2. Clean the device and brush after operation. Please note, this device is waterproof, but it cannot be put in the water for a long time. Take out the charging base and the power cord. Insert the power cord into the charging base and connect to the power source. Take off the cleaned brush and put it on the charging base to sterilize. The blue light has the effect of sterilization. The sterilization time is advised to be around 20 minutes. Please note, put the brush face down, not face up. Otherwise, there will be less effect or no effect. When using the ultrasonic infusion mode, press for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Release and press for another 3 seconds to switch to the ultrasonic infusion mode. There are 3 levels to select. Tap to switch levels. The technique is, use it with essence or latex. It is advised for 2 to 4 minutes. Increase to 4 to 6 minutes for those with skin of low absorption. Turn off the device. Clean the device with saline. If the device is power off, it needs to be charged in time for normal use of next time. Take out the charging base and power cord. Insert the power cord into the charging base and connect to the power source. Put the device in the charging base to charge. Please note, the red light is flashing when charging. When the power is full, the blue light keeps on. It is advised to charge for more than 10 hours for the first time of charging.